Hello, my wonderful and lovely people. Welcome back again to Susan Best TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So, guys, let's make this goat meat pepper soup. So, this pepper soup I want to be making, it's not just only I'm making using the stuff in the goat's stomach. I'm going to be using all of them to make it. I'll just be adding only the flesh, few of it, okay, to eat. So we all know how this inside the goat meat, inside the goat, we all know how it is. So that's why I'm first of all parboiling it. I have to throw away the water to avoid in case of smelling and all that. So that is how I will do with the both. So now here is the skin with the flesh combined together. So after I put this down for a while, a little, then before I will be adding those ones I bought before. So you might be wondering, why am I putting these Adam's roots? So this I'm putting it, in my dialect we call it ihimia here. It's really nice. It is nice, guys. If you've not tried it, you have to try it. It is very effective. It cleans your tummy, your system. It cleans it very well. So you can either boil it in the water and drink it, and it helps with fibroid. Okay, so you can either boil it in the water and drink it, or you just add it to whatever you think you want to drink the water, because what we really need at the end of the day is the water that comes out of it. So that is why when I'm making pepper soup, I do add it to it. All right. So in my blender, I have fresh pepper, blended crayfish, and little fresh crayfish. And here is my pepper soup spices. So it's blended one. I blended it myself. When they bring the raw one for me, I will just blend it to avoid stress whenever I'm cooking. So those things, they are completed, but I just blend them to keep them at home in case I want to use it. All right, and what I will still be doing, I will still be putting the long pepper after this. I'll put the long pepper. I love the taste, and also the black pepper. So I'm also going to be putting a little seed. It's optional, guys. You might want to put it, you might not want, but this is how I love it. So if you like what we are doing here in this channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't just subscribe and go. Be coming back to be seeing what we are doing here, okay? And also follow our page at Susan's Kitchen. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you.